All right, guys, this is your second one. Just talking about the idea of finding the equation of a line given a point and a slope. For the last two, that's what you should hopefully have gotten for 4 and 5. You should have gotten -7 for number 4, and then number 5, you should have gotten it to be -1/3. Okay? So, what we want to do is we want to find the equation of a line. If you guys remember, you've talked about slope-intercept form before. Y equals mx plus b. Or another way to think about it is y equals the slope times whatever x is plus whatever the y-intercept is. So what we want to find is we want to find out what the y-intercept is if we know what the slope is. So here's some easy steps. You guys can pause the video and just write these down, and I'm going to walk through each of these steps for you guys with this problem. All right, so what I want to do is I want to find the equation of the line that goes through the point 3, -4 and has a slope of -2/3. So that first step is to identify what x and y are. So that's x, that's y, and then this point, or the slope, is -2/3. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute x and y and m into slope-intercept form. So we know y equals mx plus b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute the x and y in place of x and y, and then whatever my slope is in place of m. So I got -4 equals -2/3 times 3 plus b. So we've done that second step. That third step then is to solve for b. So -2/3 times 3 is -2 plus b equals -4. So we're going to solve for b, and we add 2. I get b to equal -2. So I know my slope is -2/3, and I know that my y-intercept is -2. So what we'll do is just write down the final equation of the line. Y equals -2/3 x plus -2. Or -2, doesn't matter, both are the same. Okay, that's how we do that. So let's look at like another example here. All right, same idea. Find x and y, x, y, and then that's m. All right, so we've done that first. Now we're just substituting the values in place of x and y and m. So we know that it's going to be 2 equals 5/2 times 2. Y equals mx plus b, which we don't know. Okay, so we've done that. Now the third thing we want to do is solve for b. So we got 5/2 times 2 is 5 plus b, and then we're solving for b, so we're subtracting 5, and we get -3 equals b. Your final equation then is going to be y equals 5/2x minus 3. Okay, and then I'll just show you guys one more, and then you guys can try the next two for me. Okay, all right, so find x, y, and slope. X, y, slope. All right, so y equals mx plus b. All right, so we're going to substitute x, y, and m into slope-intercept form. So we got 4 equals -1 times -1 plus b. 4 equals 1 plus b. All right, then we're trying to solve it. Subtract 1, subtract 1. You guys got 3 equals b. So your final equation is y equals -1x plus 3. Okay. So what I'm going to ask you guys to try to do for me is try questions 9 and 10, and I'll show you guys the answers on the next video.